Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today we are going to start our unit number 2. The name of unit 2 is number pattern and algebra. Number pattern and algebra. And the numbers which are starting in this are from thousands, like large numbers. What are large numbers? I have told earlier that the number which consists of 3 or more than 3 digits are called large numbers. So, which are in thousands, 10,000s, 100,000, million, like this and that. So, let's check the position of every number in the large number, every digit. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This number consists of 7 digits. First digit is 1, then 6, 8, 4, 2, 1 and last digit is 5. Okay, let's write their positions from extreme right side. This is unit, this is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So, starting from extreme left side, I have made differences like this. Like this. This is ones, this is for thousand and this one is for million. So, if I want to read this number, this is 1,684,215. This is how to pronounce this large number. Once again, 1,684,215. The question number 1 of this page, this is page number 14, book 4A. Complete this table. I'll drop table for you. From extreme right side, unit, tens, 100, first 3 columns are for ones and next 3 columns are for thousands. Okay, first number is 65,000 and 245. 245. Okay, if I write the position of this number, this is thousand side, and this is unit side. This is unit, 10, 100 in ones. This is unit and 10 in thousand. Okay, there is no 100 in thousand side, so I will write 0 because there is no 100, like this. Then 6 is at tens and 5 is at unit. And on one side 2 is on at unit and 4 on tens, and last one is 5. Next number is 100,000 and 180. Hundred thousand 180. Similar, these 3 digits are for ones and these 3 digits are for thousand. This is unit, 10, 100, unit, 10, 100. On thousand side, 1 is at 100 place, 0 is at tens and 0 is at unit. On one side 1 is at 100, 8 is at tens and 0 is on the unit position. This is how to write down the position of every number in the large numbers. 3 parts are remaining, you have to solve by yourself on the book, page number 14. This is question number 1. Question number 2 is that circle the digit in each number and represent the number written in the words. A part, the number is 667, and the number written in the next block is 60,000. Is 60,000. I have to find out the position of 60,000 digit. First of all, I will make column of 3 3. From extreme right side, I will start and leave 3 digits, then make a line, then make 3 digits and make a line. Again, this is unit, 10, 100 for ones. This is unit, 10, 100 for thousands. I have to find out the position of the number which is at the place of 60,000. This means I have no concern at this ones portion. I have to find out my number in thousand side because this is 60,000. This is 7,000 and this is 60,000 because 60 plus 7 is 67. So the correct position of the given number is this. Next, B part is 343 434. 343 and 434. The number written in the block is 300,000. 300,000. Once again, mark in the positions. This is one side, this is thousand side. Unit, 10, 100, unit, 10, 100, 300,000. Once again, this is on thousand side. I have no concern on the one side. So 300, this is unit, this is 10, this is 100. So the correct position is 3. Remaining 4 parts are for you. You have to solve by yourself on your book. All these questions are on page number 14 for A book Macmillan. Now let's moving on page number 15. Write the value of each number shown in the arrow cards. Question number 3. Page number 15. First arrow card is 32498. 32498. I have to write down the position of every digit. This is unit, 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. This means this is 3, 30,000, then this is 2,000, this is 400, this is 90 and last one is 8. After adding all, adding 8, 9, 4, 2, 3. After adding all these numbers, I will get this result. This is how to find out the position of every number. The last question I am doing for you is H part on this page. This is A part. Part H. The digits are 651709. 651709. Once again, write down the position: unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 by writing their position in zeros, then 5, then 1, 7, then 0 and last one is 9. By adding all, 9, 0, 7, 1, 5 and this is 6. By adding all these numbers, I will find out this result that I have written on your board. Now homework time. Book 4A, page number 14, question number 1, question number 2 on book, and page number 15, question number 3 on rough copy. Let's moving on page number 16. The next number is up to millions. Previously we have studied about thousands. Now millions. Page number 16, 4A. Read these and write each as number. Question number 1. First one is 7,400,000 A part. 7 million 400,000 925 900 and 25. First of all, I will make keys for me, like I will write positions up to million. Unit, ten, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. Before solving like these statement questions, I will suggest you that first of all write all positions that is required in the question, then write down the number. Okay, after reading 7 million 400,000 this is thousand section, this is one section, and this is million section. 7,400,000 then 925. So the required number of the given statement is 4700925. This is how to write down the numbers of the given statement. The last part of this question I am going to solve for you. A part I have done. I am going to solve E part for you. E part is 12,400,000 12 million 400,000 214 First of all, again by writing positions, unit 10, 100 for ones, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. The number is 12 million. Why I write 10 million? Because 12 consists of 2 digits and 2-digit number comes after 10. So that's why this is first and this is second. So 12,400,000 and 214 last 214. So the required number of the given statement is 124,00214. This is how to write down the large number for the given statement. Page 16, question number 2. Question 2. Write each of these numbers as words. Now the numbers are given to you and we have to write down the statement for this given number. In the previous questions, statement is given to you and we have to write the number of the given statement, and in the question number 2 there is reverse process, that number is given and statement is required. A part is 4785 4785 1 4 and 1. Before writing the statement, first of all I will suggest to write down the positions of the each digit. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and million. These three is for ones, next three for thousand, and next for million. Required statement for the number. Under million it's 4, so 4 million. Then thousand section, 785, 700, 85,000, 1,000, then 141, 100 and 41. The required statement for 4785141 is 4,785,141. The last part for this question I am going to solve for you on the board is part F. The number is 5006702. Before writing statement, first of all, positions: unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. So these three for ones, these three for thousand, and this is for million. Required statement is 5 million okay. On 100,000 position and 10,000 position there is 0, so we will not consider the 0. Only 6 will be written. 5,006,000 702 So the required statement of the given number is 5,006,702. This is how to write down the statement for the given number. Let's moving on page number 17. Same book. Circle the correct digit in each number to the matched value. A part is 1967, 929, and the number we have to circle 900,000, 900,000. First of all, we will write position on these numbers. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and then million. these three for ones, these three for thousand, and this is for million. The number digit we have to circle 900,000, the number which is at the place of 900,000. So we have no concern with this section, no concern with this section. So the required digit for the 900,000 is, this is unit, this is 10, this is 100. So this 9 is the correct position of 900 and 1000. Last part I am going to solve for you. This is D part. D part. The number is given 55501 01 and 257. The digit we have to circle will be on the position 500,000. Again 500. First of all, write positions as usual. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, and 10 million. First three for ones, next three for thousand, and next two for millions. We have to find 100,000. Our concern is with thousand section, so no concern with million and no concern with one section. So the required digit is 500,000. This is. I hope after watching this video you will understand how to write down the number for the given statement, how to write statement for given numbers, and how to write down the correct, how to identify the correct position of the given statement. Now homework. Page number 16, question number 1, question number 2 on rough copy, page number 17, question number 3 on book. So students, this is your homework. Keep working. Wish you good luck. Thank you.